101.1 Smart FM, Smart of Your Life. Hi everyone, welcome back in our activity. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Farlaksan Saputra, but actually you can call me Achang. And yeah, I'm as a host today to handle in our activity or in our conversation. But before that, this is activity collaborate between Smart FM and BPC Makassar. Yay, applause dulu Kak. Okay. So actually today we have the interest topic, but I'm really hope you can engage with our conversation. So firstly, you can direct watch in YouTube Smart FM Makassar. So and then if you wanna ask something related in our topic, don't worry to ask us in WhatsApp Smart FM Makassar 0811-461-011. Okay, so I'm not alone in here, guys. I have friends from BPC Makassar. Hi Kak, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, smart listener. My name is Ahmad Aliandi. You can call me Rian. Thank you.
Okay, hello Kak Rian. So actually before we move to in our conversation, because I also from BPC Makassar, probably I'm gonna explain a little bit about the BPC Makassar itself. So BPC Makassar is the oldest community in Makassar, and then actually we have a several activity every Sunday meeting. We can say lovely Sunday meeting, guys. And exactly, it is free. I'm gonna invite you join with us in Benteng Rotterdam, Makassar. So what kind of activity we'll conduct in there? Number one, we have Who Am I? Yeah, Who Am I? You can introduce yourself. And number two, we have like ice breaking. Yeah, we will play a game related with English. I do believe it will be improve your confidence, your vocabulary, and etc. And number three, we have D&D, debating and discussion. So actually we will talk about one topic, which one, yeah, you can improve your confidence, public speaking, and etc. Because after we will discuss, we will conduct in debating session, which is I'm really believe if you can speak up in front of all of the people, you can improve your confidence, guys. And number five, yeah, we have building skill. Building skill, it means that we will learn about English, like grammar and etc., ladies and gentlemen. And then we have entertainment. Yeah, I would like to invite you to show something, your ability, like playing guitar, sing a song, and etc. This is the time for you to show up your ability, guys, in entertainment. And yeah, in the last we have announcement. I really believe you can gain a lot of information like scholarship, or you wanna invite all participants to join in your activity, like you wanna wedding party and etc. This is the time for you guys to show in announcement. So hello Kak Brian.
Hello.
Okay, so actually we have an interest topic today. We will talking about the star syndrome.
Wow.
Right? And actually I do believe in this era, average people have star syndrome, for example, because they have they have goals to do something, like they have idols, which one their idol is very famous, and yeah, star syndrome. I think that sometimes the people have a star syndrome to improve in their life. Also, I do believe it is have advantage and disadvantage. But before that, I wanna ask you. So, what do you think about star syndrome itself? What is your point of view about that?
Okay. In my opinion, star syndrome is someone who is have a high ambition to achieve their goals.
Yeah.
So they do like how to say, like, yeah, they do anything,
yeah,
to receive that goals.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
And then,
yeah, I think star syndrome itself, like the people who is how to say, is, yeah, in my opinion, the people who has star syndrome is arrogant
And then
and they forget about the people who is the followers of them.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yeah, and how about you?
yeah, actually, nice. Okay, so in my point of view, the star syndrome. All of the people, I think, the average people have a star syndrome because they have ambition, goals, and etc. And I think that people have a star syndrome exactly. Sometimes it is good for them, sometimes it is bad. Such as in my, we cannot deny that I have
Yeah.
also star syndrome, right?
Me also.
Because I want to improve in my life, right? I want to improve in my life. I need the confidence. Like for example, I have idols. My idols is Lionel Messi or Cristiano Ronaldo, right?
Wow.
And exactly, I have to improve my confidence, even if like the people mocking us, like
Yeah.
bullying and etc. But it is sometimes it is good, sometimes it's bad. So I think this star syndrome, it will be influence them. Sometimes it gain good things and bad things. What kind of the good things, such as you introvert, for example, right?
Yeah.
But you have like idols, like you wanna be a singer or something like that. You can improve your life. Like okay, I have a goals. I have a idol which I wanna same with them. So that's why I have to like follow them what they do, because as we all know that the people or the influencer like artists and etc. exactly, they famous, right?
Yeah.
They have a star syndrome maybe because they have a lot of followers.
Yeah.
And it is the good things because the people can improve in their life. And also it is the bad things. It is the bad things. Sometimes if you feel like okay, I first rank in our school, in our
Wow.
class, and yeah, sometimes how to say merendahkan, right?
Underestimate.
Underestimate in our friend, like okay, I'm more better than you.
Yeah.
It is the bad things from the star syndrome itself. But in the other side, exactly, you can improve in your life if you have a star syndrome, right? So it is my point of view about star syndrome. Sometimes it is good for them. Sometimes it is bad. It depends on you. But sometimes if we going in one place or in one circle, I think that this one circle exactly need equal things. Which one? All of the people have a same opportunity. Not only for one people, like they famous rather than all of the people in there. So that's why in this place, if you join in one community, right? If you join in one community, you have to adapt what their interest, what they want. You don't. The people will bullying you if you only alone wanna be famous, right? And it will be bad for all of you guys. So I think this is about the star. It is the meaning about star syndrome. Okay, so don't go anywhere, smart listener. We will back after